We're learning from the Federal Aviation Authority that it crashed while making an emergency landing. They say unknown injuries, but the flight from Taipei, it's believed, and some 10 emergency slides seen from the aircraft, but we don't know if all the passengers have made it safely, and clearly there's a large plume of smoke, but whether that's from a damaged engine or the aircraft itself, we don't know. But there are, as you can see, fire tenders there, the specialist foam fire trucks used at airports, moving around the outside of the aircraft. It's a very large aircraft, the 777 intercontinental jet. You may remember there was a British Airways one that came down short of the runway at Heathrow when its fuel froze. As to this particular accident, no clue as yet from the airport authority.